Hello everyone. Welcome to Ciferon. Today we'll see how to set up liquor or bar inventory in Ciferon. Let's start. First we will create a category in which all liquor materials will be assigned. Click on Menu, then go to Category. Click on New. Enter category name like Liquor Inventory. After that click on Save. Category is created successfully. Now we will create a liquor raw material. To create raw material, click on Item, click on New, select Inventory. Select bar mark in Department. Then enter raw material name like Royal Stag Bottle. Select category we have created. After that select unit as per the deductions. Like 30 milliliters and 60 ml will be deducted in ml. So we will select ml. Then click on Save. The raw material has created successfully. Now we will assign inventory master to the raw material which we have created. Basically we will assign purchase unit, GST and purchase price. To assign inventory master, go to Inventory. Select Inventory Master. Search the raw material. You can see the raw materials is inactive. To activate it, click on Add. Select purchase unit like bottle 750 milliliters. Select tax type. In user input value enter your purchase price. Select tax category if you select tax type above. Now click on Save. Next and last part is creating recipes for automatic deductions of raw materials. To create recipes, click on Inventory, Recipe, click on New, select your selling item in Select Menu Item drop-down for which you want to create recipe like Royal Stag 30 milliliters, then select raw material in Basic Recipe drop-down, like we selected Royal Stag Bottle, now put the quantity which will be used in Royal Stag 30 milliliters. After that click on Save. The recipe has been created successfully. These are the basic steps to create inventory setup for liquor product.